What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? So, something a little different today. Out of the shop and into the utility room, where we've been down on a washer for a week now. The water pump burnt out on it. And this is the main issue. Good old sock. Got lodged up in the water drain. Of course, the pump kept pumping away and burnt it out. So this bad boy caused all the problems, which I'm sure you guys have either went through it or will happen in the future. So figured I'd show you, and maybe it'll save you some time. But here's the hole where the drain is. There's the pump hose where it goes out of the washer, and it was lodged up in there. Got the pump in yesterday, and I'm ready to get started on it, so let's do it. So here's a new water pump, nice and pretty, shiny, green too, favorite color. But all it does is there's two little rubber mounts that slide in, push it down, slide it back, and it seats in. And there's one screw. Let me show you here. See those little feet right there? Both sides are rubber, they slide in. There's one screw that goes right here, and that's it, that holds the whole pump in. And then you have your motor right here that this plugs into, and your drainage hose goes on the back side here, that goes out of the washer. And then that black hose that I was telling you about that had the sock in it, it just goes on the back side of the pump. Now, when you take off your old pump, if it was the same case as mine, the washer was full of water. So you unscrew this, and there's really no easy way at all to let the water drain out. You're just going to have to get a bunch of towels, because even if you try to put a bucket or something right here, it's just going to go all throughout the bottom. So you'll want to clean this out every once in a while. I noticed that ours was pretty stopped up with gunk and stuff, and so yeah, you unscrew this, water's going to come rushing out, and clean up the water and unplug your wires. Safety first, make sure the washer is unplugged, of course, and that's about it. So I'm going to get this screwed in and get the hoses on, and we'll check it out. Alright, so that's back hooked up. All the hoses are on. This bad boy secure. Wires in here. It's ready to give it a test. Let's do it. Oh, by the way, this is the kind of washer it is. The Kenmore. The pump was on back order, actually, at Sears. They wanted $125, and I'm telling them what it came in, so ordered it offline for about, I think it was just like $40 something cheaper, and it came within a week. Let's try. Let's give a just express wash. You know what? I do need to. Look at this. Alright, let me turn the water back on. Alright. You know what the best helper is? Right there. Old Molly girl. She lays around anytime I'm doing anything in the shop or in the house. So here we go. Express wash. Yeah. Water's going. I see it didn't spin or anything before, so looks like everything's starting to kick on. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Awesome. Check, make sure there's no leaks. I'll just put the panels on. This little cover right here. There's a 3 bolts on the bottom there. When you pull this out, it pushes up in there. Of course, the back side cover right there has bolts all the way around. Just take those off. So I'm going to put that back on, and that's about it. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, send me a message of any reviews or products you'd like to see. Keep it clean, have fun, catch you later.